Live from the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, you're watching coverage of the launch of OSIRIS-REx, the Origins Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security-Regolith Explorer spacecraft. This is Atlas Launch Control, and we're just under T-minus 1 hour, 20 minutes, and counting. Liftoff is targeted for 7:05 p.m. Eastern Time, the opening of a 1 hour, 55-minute launch window. There are multiple launch opportunities, one at the beginning of the window and then others that are spaced 5 minutes apart throughout the launch window should they be needed. But everything technically is going well. Weather is now 90% go. There's a 90% chance of favorable weather for launch with just a slight chance of violating the cumulus cloud rule. OSIRIS-REx is going to be boosted atop this United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket in the 411 configuration, and that is a unique configuration in that the Atlas booster and the Centaur upper stage are joined by one strap-on solid rocket booster to provide the additional thrust needed to boost the rocket and place the spacecraft in the proper vicinity in space. The launch team here at the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center has been on console since about 3 o'clock Eastern Time. Operations began about 30 minutes ago to fill the Atlas booster and the Centaur upper stage with liquid oxygen. The tanks are expected to reach flight level at about T-minus 5 minutes, which is about a minute before entering our planned 15-minute built-in hold at T-minus 4 minutes. Liquid hydrogen will be loaded into the Centaur tank at about T-minus 16 minutes. The Atlas previously was fueled with RP-1, a rocket-grade kerosene, and all fueling operations have been proceeding normally. Today begins NASA's first mission to take a sample from an asteroid and return it to the Earth. The mission will help scientists investigate how planets formed and how life began, as well as improve our understanding of asteroids that someday could impact the Earth. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft will travel to the near-Earth asteroid Bennu and bring a sample back to Earth for intensive study as part of NASA's quest to study our solar system and beyond, to better understand the universe and our place in it. And this launch vehicle you're looking at right now, provided by United Launch Alliance. All that work culminates today with the planned liftoff of Atlas and OSIRIS-REx a little bit more than an hour from now at 7:05 p.m. Eastern Time. This is Atlas Launch Control.